So that's, oh, they look quite cool. In this vlog today, I'm going to show you what's in this parcel, and then we're also going to go through planning and organising a candle making workshop, which is something that I've never done before. So yeah, let's get into the vlog. That's, oh, they look quite cool. So this is, I think this is for the box label. What we got here? Round circle labels. Oh, those are cool. Smaller ones. And then I think these are larger ones to go over the top of the candle. Yeah. Oh, cool. New label, quite happy with them. They look quite nice. And we're doing a burn test, so hopefully, I'm not sure what that is around the top, but it'll be interesting to find out. Also, what we're doing today is planning an event, and it's something that I've never done before, something that I wanted to do, and something that I think will be a good marketing tactic for the business and for the brand, and especially if we do it near sort of winter time, because then we'll be able to upsell products and sell on gift cards at events and other things like that. So this is why the chalkboard wall has come in really, really handy. I'm basically trying to brain dump loads of ideas of what I want to do, how I see it working, timescales, how I can market the events, how I can remarket whilst the event's done, loads of different ways. And I wanted to like document the process and share it with you so that you can see kind of what's going on in my mind and hopefully get some ideas for your business. As that's kind of what I want the channel to be about, is I want to give you ideas for your business. We're going to film some TikToks, do a little bit of content and just like rapping and stuff, because that shit works really well on TikTok. So yeah.
I don't even remember what I'm doing. Well, I've only done it once.
No, I know. Don't worry, I'm literally going to film it on my phone.
Right.
So that's it. I mean, that's recording all the BTS. So
right.
What's it like working with me? What's your favourite thing about working with me? Come on.
Hey?
What's your favourite thing about working with me? You gotta give me something. Laugh at me.
Still working it out. It's rattling around, isn't it?
Yeah, how do we put this? Yeah, just close it a minute. And I think it goes... So, okay. So you almost want to close it and then put it on like that.
Right.
So it's like that
right.
kind of goes central, if you know what I mean?